This next area is called depreciation. Depreciation is very simple. It is just a negative rate of interest. Just like we say that loss is negative profit, and you can use that in that chapter. Just like the depreciation is a negative rate of interest, and that is all it is. So let's directly dive into an example. You have a machine bought for 40,000, depreciates in value by 10% every year, and usually depreciation is annual compounding. How much is it worth after 4 years? So it starts at 40,000 and then reduces by 10%, and the new value again reduces by 10% and 10% and 10%. That is all it is. So it's basically into 0.9 into 0.9 into 0.9 into 0.9, and if you want a formula, that will be amount is principal into 1 minus d the whole raised to t. So you basically have 40,000 into 0.9 raised to 4, which is 40,000 into 0.6561. How much will this be? $26,244, and that's your answer. Let's look at another example. If the value of a piece of equipment reduces by 12% every year, in how many years will its value reduce to half? So your amount is principal into 0.88 raised to the number of years, and your amount is basically half of P. So essentially we're trying to find out how many times should I multiply 0.88 with itself until I get a value less than or equal to half. That is what we want. And after this point, there is no point trying to solve this rigorously. If you want to make the t the subject, you will have to employ logarithms. No need to do that. Just take a calculator. 0.88 multiplied by itself once, twice, thrice, 4 times, 5 times. You'll see that is the 5th time that it is becoming less than. How much was that? It was 0.46 is 0.46. So it will take 5 years.